Getting started with the Zerynth Platform, Basic Settings Guide. Once you enter the platform, you can select Workspace if you have made multiple workspaces. Workspace can be created as admin or regular user. For each workspace, you can go to Settings and make adjustments. Access the Settings menu. Navigate to the General Settings. Here you can find Workspace Name, Workspace ID and Data Region. By selecting Copy button for each item, you can copy data to use in other sections. API Keys section is where all of your API keys are listed. Next, you can import settings from another workspace. And below, you can delete current workspace. Access the factory settings. Here you can change currency in which costs are displayed. Change time zone of your factory location. And below, you can set energy cost. Access the maintenance settings. In maintenance section, you can set periodic maintenance interval, working hour target and cycle target for each machine. These settings are important because based of this setting, certain rules can be set later on. Access the shift settings. In this section, you can create shifts and adjust them for every day of the week. Navigate to Operations section. In Operations section, you can create operation clicking Add button. Give it unique code and name and assign machine to the operation. Once operation is created, it can be edited. Click on Edit icon, or to be deleted, clicking on Delete icon. Operator section below works the same way. Add a new operator. Give it unique code, name and email. For maintenance rules set by a specific operator, notifications will be sent directly to the operator's email specified here. For example, if the maintenance rule is set that if machine is alarm status for 2 hours, send email to the operator who created scheduled maintenance. Next option is Profile under User section, where you can set the name of the profile and choose language for UI. Under Organization section, we have Users options, where you can create and manage users that work in this workshop. Navigate to the Workspaces section, where you can create different workspaces for different users and user roles. This comprehensive guide covered fundamental settings and actions within the Zerynth platform. From workspace customization to user creation, you are now equipped to efficiently navigate and utilize key features of the application.